Okay, children, good morning. Today we are in characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. If I am taking a pencil or a pen of certain height, that is OJ be nothing but what? A pencil or a pen placed in front of a plane mirror. Placed in front of a plane mirror. As we are placing in front of a plane mirror, what happened? From the top edge of this particular pencil or a pen or from the bottom edge of this particular pen or pencil, the rays from the object, the rays will move towards the mirror. The rays are called as incident rays. Incident on surface of mirror, it's at certain points. Those points are called as point of incidence. And the ray will be get reflected by holding laws of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. By extending this particular reflected rays, what happened there? We will get an intersection point at two different locations. If you draw the particular one, that indicates nothing but what? Size of an object of pencil or pen. O, J, O dash, J dash of pencil or a pen. And how that particular image would be? The image will be caught behind the mirror. First thing is what? Behind the mirror image will be get from first point. Second point is what? Always that image will be a virtual image. Third one is called as it is an erect image also. And not only that one, size of image, size of object is equal to size of image, or else image distance. If I take this distance is equal to d. Image distance is equal to image distance equal to object distance. These all are nothing but what? Characteristics of plane mirror. When an object, a characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Image will be formed behind the mirror. That image will be virtual. Virtual in the sense is nothing but what? Cannot caught on screen. Erect image, size of object will be equal to size of image. Image distance will be equal to object distance. These all characteristics will be followed by a plane mirror. Next question is nothing but what? When I am moving this particular image towards our eye, if I am placing this particular object or image, if I am moving that object towards our eye, what happened to that particular size of image? We will observe that size of image will be gradually decreases. It seems to be as nothing but what? Size of image will be equal to, it will be gradually decreases. Why means image seems to be moved backward in the mirror. As we are moving object near to our eye, it appears size of image will be gradually decreases, and it appears that image is moving away from the mirror, moves back in the mirror. Due to that reason, we can see image size is gradually decreases when we are moving towards it. Not only that one, distance from the image seems to be greater. One more point is what? Distance from the image. If you measure the distance, as we are moving towards our eye, image is moving back. If you measure that particular image distance, it will be greater than that of object distance. By that we can, how we come to that? Image distance is greater means what? Angle made by them will be small. Angle made by them will be small. How it will be? Let me see it. See here I have taken an object OJ. I have placed at two different locations. First one is first location and second one is second location. And I am seeing object here. From first location, if I am seeing object, what is the angle be as what theta 1 angle is theta. This angle will be little bit bigger angle will get up. As distance is d, you take it up. Distance is how much here? D we have taken that itself, or else d1 you take it up. Simultaneously what happened at second position I place one more thing. From here I am observing this particular pencil or pen with an angle theta 2. If you observe theta 2 is smaller angle than that of theta 1. Distance if I am taking this total distance is equal to d2. If you observe that d2 distance is greater than d1 distance, means what? As distance increases, angle is becoming very small. As distance is closer, angle is becoming very large. To see the object, angle plays a vital role. What plays a vital role there? Angle plays a vital role to judge size of image there itself. If it is at longer distance, what happens there itself? Size of image to be small. Why? As the distance is increases. As we are moving object near to our eye, image is moving away back within the mirror. It indicates nothing but what? Distance is increasing. As distance increases, angle formed between them from the object will be gradually decreases. As angle is lesser than the top, T2 is lesser than the top. T2 is lesser than that of T1. T2 is lesser than that of T1. T1 is greater than that of T2. Theta 2 is lesser than that of T1. It indicates small size image is forming here. Here, little bit big image it is forming. By this, we have completed our topic called as characteristics of image. Characteristics of image. If you study this particular characteristics of image, it will help you a lot. As the distance is moving from the object is moving near to our eye, image within the mirror is moving back, image size is decreasing. Why size is decreasing? Angle is decreases, distance is increased, angle decreases. If angle decreases, it appears to be to our eye as very small. These all are nothing but what? Characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. General characteristics is or what? Behind the mirror image will be formed. Virtual image cannot be caught on the screen. Erect image, size of object is equal to size of image. Image distance will be equal to object distance. By this we have completed our topic called as characteristics. Next topic is lateral inversion method. We'll go into that topic. Thank you. So, 8th class. Lateral inversion process or method. What does lateral inversion method? It is a phenomenon in which left side appears as right side and right side thing will be appear as the left side when we are seeing within a mirror. As we are standing in front of a mirror, we will find a phenomena is taking place, that is what? Left side of our body part will be appearing as right side and right side of our body part will be appearing as left side. Best examples. If you are watching cricket in a TV, we can see clearly identify who is a left hand batsman and who is a right hand batsman. But the same person, when you went for a cutting shop, to have a haircut in your haircut, and match is going on, World Cup or any series is going on in TV. In that particular cutting shop, barber shop, there is a TV. There cricket is coming up. But a left-hand batsman is playing there itself. As we are seeing in that particular mirror, we can identify that person is playing with right hand. Means what? Left hand is appearing as right hand is appearing as left hand. That type of process or phenomena is called as lateral inversion method, we can call it. What does it mean? It is due to light What follows the direction? Light follows the direction when it strikes the mirror. For example, see here. As it is striking this particular mirror, this is incident ray and this is reflected ray. Incidenting from left ear, the light ray is incidenting on mirror at one point. That point is called as point of incidence. Then what happens? The light ray is reflecting back and falling on our right. This reflected ray follows one path or direction. The reflected ray, which what brain feels that the reflected ray is coming from inside the mirror, from the inside the mirror. Due to that reason, it appears as nothing but what? Right side there itself. Left ear appears as right ear appears as a left ear. That is the phenomena. That phenomena is called as lateral inversion phenomena or method. Example, if I go for alphabets, see here, I have taken alphabet J. From top edge of this particular J letter, incident with the ray, incidenting at certain location, incidenting at this particular point, this point, this point, this point. These all points are called as point of incidence. As here it is incidenting normally with angle 90. What happened? Reflect back in the same direction. As it is incidenting certain angle of incidence. As it is incidenting certain angle of incidence. The ray is reflecting back with same by following one law. That is what? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And these reflected rays, as they are moving in this direction, extend this reflected ray there itself. And extend this reflected ray, both are intersecting at one point. Simultaneously extend this particular reflected ray with an angle. Extend this particular reflected ray, both are intersecting at one point. At that particular point, we will see that a left side and right side, it will be a right side as well left side. Left side appears as right side appears as what? Left side, so that the J which is existing in this direction will appear in another direction. Simultaneously the B letter will be existing in this way, but as we are seeing in the mirror, B appears to as rather left side appears as right as well as right side appears as a left. D which is existing in this position appears in this way. K which is existing in this position, it appears in this way. P which is existing in this way will appear in that way. Right side will be appear as left side will be appear as right side due to one phenomena, that is nothing but what? After reflection, the light ray follows a direction when it strikes the mirror. As it is striking the mirror, it is following extension of the ray is following one direction. Due to that direction, lateral inversion process will be taken place within the concept. By this we have completed our chapter. So children, try to analyze chapter much more attentively and try to grasp the concept. Thank you. I am going to give worksheet. Based upon that worksheet, complete the concept and revise the concept much more thoroughly and prepare for exam. Surfaces within 8th class, that is uses of plane mirror. Where we can use this particular plane mirror? This plane mirror can be used in decoration of walls, within shopping malls, sweet shops, barber shops, etc. so on. Not only that one, by using this particular plane mirror, we can also prepare some optical instruments such as periscope as well as kaleidoscope, etc. so on. Not only that one, by using this particular plane mirror, we can prepare some quantity of some type of solar cookers also. And by using this particular plane mirror, SLR camera as well as carving mirrors, so on, etc. so on, we can prepare. We can prepare by using plane mirrors. These are nothing but what? Some uses of plane mirrors. Next one is what? Application part. Within application part, two questions are there. First question is given in our textbook. Let me read for the sake of you. In the adjacent figure, AO, as AO and OB are incident ray and reflected ray respectively, AOB, this total angle is equal to 90 degrees. Then find the values of angle of incidence as well as angle of reflection. If I draw a normal, this point is called as point of incidence. Exactly the further point, if I draw a normal, this normal will behave as 90 degrees. It will act like angular bisection. According to laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Therefore, this total angle divided into two equal parts of 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Therefore, AON is angle of incidence is equal to 45 degrees. BON, whose value which is called as angle of reflection, whose value is also equal to 45 degrees. That is, angle of incidence is equal to 45, angle of reflection is equal to 45. That is the question what we can see within application for answer. Next question is what? Higher order thinking. Within that, one more question is there. Observe the adjacent figure. AB and BC are two mirrors. This is AB is one mirror, BC is another mirror. These two mirrors are inclined with an angle of 120 degrees. And also he has given that PO is an incident ray incidenting with normal, it is making an angle of 55 degrees. He has given this particular angle. If I take this is N, PON is nothing but what? Angle of incidence. And we know that normal always make angle of 90 degrees. Therefore, what happened there itself? I am taking it up. AON is nothing but what? A 90 degree angle it is. AON is nothing but what? Sum of two angles AOP and PON. Therefore, AOP plus PON is equal to 90 degrees. Within that, we know that PON is equal to 55 degrees. I am placing 55 degrees. AOP is equal to, take toward that side, 90 minus 55, that is equal to 35 degrees. This angle is forming by what? Reflected surface, reflecting surface, and incident ray. That angle is called as glazing angle of incidence. Glazing angle of incidence is equal to how much I got? 35. Simultaneously, this is called as glazing angle of reflection. Therefore, both angles will remain same there itself. 30. If it is 35, this angle also will be equal to 35. Therefore, 35 we got it up. BOC angle is also 35. If this is incident ray and this is reflected ray and this is a reflecting surface, this angle will be equal to that angle. Angle of glazing angle of incident will be equal to glazing angle of reflection. Therefore, 35, 35. Therefore, if you see it up, BOC triangle. BOC triangle, sum of three angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Means what? BOC angle, angle C, angle O, angle C as well as angle B if you take it up. O plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. 35 plus 120 plus C, 180 degrees. We require C angle there itself. C is equal to 180 minus 155. C is equal to 25 degrees. Therefore, this is nothing but what? 25 degrees. If it is 25 degrees, this is reflecting surface. This is incident ray now. This is reflected ray. This is called as angle of incidence. This is called as angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. It becomes as what? Glazing angle of incidence. Simultaneously, glazing angle of incidence will be equal to glazing angle of reflection. Therefore, this value will be equal to this one. Therefore, x degree is equal to 25 degrees. By this we have calculated angle x is equal to 25 degrees. By this we have completed our chapter, children. Go through with worksheet. Already I have given one worksheet. Next worksheet is what? Let me say orally. Laws of reflection. From there I have not given worksheet. Laws of reflection. What are the laws of reflection for 2 marks? He can ask. Within that also, verification of laws of reflection for 4 marks question, he may ask. That is for 4 marks. Second one is what? Plane mirror concept. What is plane mirror? What color will coat it at the back side of the particular plane? Glass plate, silver as well as aluminium, as they are good reflectors. Simultaneously, activity 3, if you place an object, if you place a mirror strip at different locations, how that particular image will be get formed? That question, if you read it up, you can get different types of images there. Not only that, one point image for 2 marks you may ask individually. Object of certain height. If I placing it up, how an image will be get got? That question you may ask for 4 marks. Not only that one, after completion of that concept, one more topic is there. What is the topic? Characteristics of plane mirror for 2 marks you will ask. How the position of when we are bringing object near to the eye of a person, how the image will be get moved, what happens to the image, whether image will move back, whether size of image decreases, as well as object angle between that one will be gradually decreases. About that concept you will ask for 2 marks or 1 mark. Next thing is what? Lateral inversion method for 2 marks you will ask it up. After that, uses of plane mirror, it also asks for how many marks? 2 marks. In higher order thinking, 1 mark question he may ask it up. Next question is what? In application part 1 mark question. In higher order thinking, this question he may ask for 4 marks or for 2 marks depending upon his convenience. So children, what are the worksheets I have given and what I explained now worksheet. If you will be go through around this particular worksheet clearly, you will be ready for exam. In next class, I will give a pattern, how the question paper, how the paper can be get prepared and in what way you have to prepare. I will explain clearly regarding that one. A revision class of total chapter. Later on there will be an exam. Be well prepared for exam. Thank you.